Hi, I'm Brianna Bulyoung, the Teaching and Learning Librarian at Minds. This first video is going to explore how to find articles by browsing a specific journal. The second video will discuss how to find articles via keywords in databases. First, to browse our journals, you're going to go to the library's homepage and then click on the eJournals tab. Here, you can search for a particular journal name. So if you already know a journal in your field that you follow, such as The Economist or Hydrogeology, you can put it here. Or you can search by a topic. So I'm going to explore space and all of the journals that we have related to space. This takes us to Browzine, which is a tool that looks across most of the journals that we subscribe to. So as we can see here, my journal for space brought up all of these different items. Now let's stop for a second and take a quick look at some of these icons. First, the little blue book. This is a specific journal. So Space and Polity or Space Policy. The red filing cabinet drawer is for a subject. So clicking on space science will take you to a collection of journals related to space science. I'm going to click on space policy because it looks interesting to me. When you open a journal that looks promising, you can see the last several years are right here on the left side. You can look at the different volumes and you can see the article. You may see a yellow bar across the top of the journal. This means that there is an embargo on the journal and we can't access the last year, perhaps 2 years of the journal. Reach out to me and I'll see if we have another way that we can get access to that article for you. Stay tuned for more tips in video 2.